Mr. President Raja Zulkarnain Khan, good morning. It's a pleasure having you here in Badalona.
Good morning and thank you very much, Christina.
It's an honor receiving you here in Badalona, as we said, and it's an opportunity, unique opportunity to talk about Kashmir, because in the newspaper or in the radio or on the TV, there is pretty little information about Kashmir, apart from conflicts and some tragedies that have been occurring on the last days. So it's important to having you here because now we can know from the horse mouth which is the real situation nowadays, on 12th May in Kashmir, which is now the situation of the conflict too.
Christina, unfortunately, we have one of the most beautiful countries that you can imagine. By European standards, you could compare it with Andorra, and you could compare it with Switzerland, and one of the most, and of course your own beautiful country. Of course, it's a mountainous country. It does not have the sea there, but we have got numerous gushing rivers and green meadows and lofty mountains and snow-capped mountains and alpine beauty that you can imagine at the best. We have the largest coniferous forests in that part of the world, and it's a beautiful paradise. Mm-hmm. And in fact, if I quote the great Mughal emperor who said in Persian, I'll say, Gar, he said about Kashmir, Gar firdose barue zaminas, haminas, haminas, haminas. What he meant was that if there is paradise on earth about Kashmir, when he goes to Kashmir, he says, it is this, he says it thrice. So that is the paradise that we are so worried that paradise has become a place of misery, of unhappiness, and unfortunately, it's the oldest conflict in the world now. It is over 61 years old, and United Nations has passed resolutions on that which have not been implemented. And right now, the situation continues in the same fashion. The Indian occupied area of Kashmir, which should have been settled, long time ago when they said that there should be a plebiscite, a referendum. The people of Kashmir should decide, give them an opportunity to either they can vote for India, they can vote for Pakistan, and the majority of the vote will determine where they want to go, so that they are also in the mainstream of the great Indo-Pakistan subcontinent. They are isolated. There has been tremendous violation of human rights, and it continues. Even today, there are over 700,000 Indian troops in the Kashmir Valley, which is nowhere else in India. And it's unfortunate that the matter yet lingering in the United Nations, and many attempts have been made to settle it by negotiation in 2002. In fact, India and Pakistan has gone to war twice. That is in 1965 and 1971. And we do not want that there should be another war. We want this area to be peaceful. And the only trouble spot problem between India and Pakistan, and more so for the people of Kashmir, is this resolution of the conflict. Once that is resolved, India and Pakistan can be very close. They can be just like European countries, where you're so close and one does not know which country one has left and which one has entered. It's like that. That could be the situation in India.
Mm-hmm. According to our history books, the differences in India that provoked the decision of India and the creation of Pakistan were religious reasons. The trouble in Kashmir is still a religious problem, or it has something to do about territorial strategies or economy?
It is not the question of alone religious. I agree that the creation of these two countries, India and Pakistan, was on religious ground, and the basis was also this, that how you determine which the areas which have a larger population of Muslims will go to Pakistan, and those who are Hindus and Sikhs, they will go to India. This was a very much a policy, and then geographically also they had to see that which country is nearer to which country, what is the natural flow of rivers, the natural roads coming from that country and going from that country. All these factors put together were in favor of Kashmir geographically, religiously being part of Pakistan. And the people wanted to be, now where I come from, that is the free Kashmir. We people, we are yet not part of Pakistan because we are waiting the decision of the United Nations to be implemented. But nonetheless, if Kashmir is together, every religion can freely live there. We are very tolerant people. We have always had very good relations with each other. So I think it is just a matter of principle, and we say that very openly, that people can, if they want to go to India, very good. If the majority decides that they want to go with India, but that you can only determine. Even we will go to India if the majority says that. But we have to determine that how. What is the will of the people? It is basically the right of franchise, the right of self-determination to decide about your future, how you want to be, with what country you want to be, and how you want to live. It is an option, a human inherent right that you have. So this is what was contained in the resolutions of the United Nations. But since long time has passed, there have been, as I said, 2 wars, and we are living in a very dangerous zone in the sense that they're both nuclears, India and Pakistan, and there's always tension. There are troops on the ceasefire line continuously. Any mishap can happen, and there can be escalated into a big war. So we have to prevent that. And this, as you know, the nuclear war not only affects the 2 countries, the fallout can have its effect in Southeast Asia, on other countries which are not involved, Persian Gulf, Afghanistan, I mean, all over there. The nuclear device can hit any place, and the fallout will be tremendous. So we want to avoid that. We want the entire world community to share this fear that we have, and put their diplomatic pressure on India that they must see the light of the day. They must understand how serious this matter is, and it must be resolved.
You said before, every man or woman should have the right to choose where to live and where to stand, where to do her life or his life. But many people, according to the human rights violation, as you told, has been forced to leave those countries, leave Kashmir, and coming to Europe. There are many Pakistani and Kashmir people living, for example, here in Catalonia and in Badalona, waiting for the peace in their countries.
That is true. Many Kashmiris, I think, from both sides of Kashmir are here in Catalonia and many parts of Europe, and they're here in large numbers. And obviously, if things were very good there, they probably might be back in their homes. But since conditions are disturbed, you don't know what may happen tomorrow. There may be war, there may be conflict, and then those people living on the borders, always there's shelling and firing going on because it's a disturbed dividing line. There's not an international border, it's undetermined. So life is fearful there, and we want that people must have peace. And of course, once our people who come here, they see how in a civilized manner you people are living. You have your all your basic rights, your human rights. In fact, you worry about the human rights of the entire world. And not alone that, you even look to the benefit of the animals. And there are societies for prevention of cruelty to animals. And over there, children are being killed, women are being molested, and every day killing of the youth is carrying on in occupied Kashmir, where there are 700,000 troops. Obviously, they're there for some reason. They're not having a picnic there. They're being they're there to harass the local population. That is what I want to say. That is very unfair and unjust in this civilized world of today, where we talk of the rights of every human being in the world. The old slavery is abolished, but yet we are, those people in Kashmir and occupied are almost living in slave-like conditions.
So, Mr. President, it has been an honor to having you here, as I said in the beginning.
Christina, I thank you very much and your channel, and I wish you all the luck. Thank you very much.